Right, I'm blinking only bedding down here, ain't I? Look. A trusty old stick. Look. Done all that through there. Made that path there. So we managed to clear it, look. Get through into there. What a bloody nightmare that was. Tell you what though, the amount of brambles in thorns on this place, I reckon I'm going to be the only one to have been here a bloody long time. In a long time. Let's find out, let's have a look. Right, this one is going to be a tricky one, but you would never know it was here. It took me ages to find it. Look, see this there? Right, up there in all those brambles. We are going to conquer this. Let's have a look. Have a look what I've got to get through. Let's go. Let's have a look what we can see. There she is. Let's go in. Let's get in here. Wow. Come on, mate. Let me in. Oh. Right. Oh. Look at that. Oh. Wow. Oh, that was our work. That was our work getting through there. Anyway, let's have a look around. What is that over there? Right. Is that the brightest one? That one, isn't it? Right, let's go. It's not too muddy in here. What is that over there? That. Let's go have a look. Barbecues. Someone's had a gas barbecue. So clearly, that's empty. Someone's been in here having a barbie. Long time ago though, I would have said, by the looks of that. Anyway, you didn't come in here, did we, through them brambles to look at a bloody portable barbecue, did we? Wow, look at that, look. Look at that, look. That seems to me like an escape hatch. That's got to be an escape hatch, isn't it? Surely, because that hasn't got on the top. You see, if you look, it hasn't got the roof on the top for like the fumes. So it isn't that. That's an escape hatch. Can't believe we got in here. Isn't it amazing? Look. Any graffiti? Nope, no graffiti. Wow. What a find. What a find indeed. Wow. Thought this would have been a great lookout across the Bristol Channel when all these obviously thorn bushes weren't here. Yeah, lager down there. People putting their fucking rubbish in here. Right. Still got the benches there, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 there. And do you know what? Because I thought, if there's no way in, I only need a ladder, don't I? Get a ladder and come down. That's all it needs. Anyway, that was hard work, but we done it, didn't we? We done it. So look at that. Actually, do you know what? Let's go over here. Cool like that, doesn't it? That's pretty cool. Ah, my new bloody boots. Don't wear new boots on Explore. Not the best idea, is it? Just getting a view from the bottom to the top. Like that. That's a good view like that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Right. Let's get out of here. That's a good find. Short one, but a good find. There we go, look. Right. Right, so tell you what, thanks for coming. You know how it goes. Hit that like button. Right. Clearly these fawns don't like me, do they? Right, anyway, hit that like button, please subscribe. Do the thing, come on. Do the thing. Love you all, take care.